To make surveys or forms, using Google Forms is a very good option. So to make Google Forms, you go to Google Forms, where you have an option to either start from blank or from a template. So in this case, let's just start from a blank template. Here, you'll be presented with a bunch of options. So let's start with the title. So that's our title, and here we can ask a question. So let's just say, I'll just name all the questions by number. So let's say Q1 is a short answer. Here we can put a short answer question. We just press the plus button for add a question. Say Q2, now we have the option for a paragraph. So the first question was a short answer text. Second gives more space. As you can see, this line ends here, this line ends here. So there's more space in the second one, which is why that's called a long answer text. Say for the next question, we have multiple choice, where basically we can add options by just clicking here, and they can pick from one of those options. Then we can have check boxes, which means they can pick more than one answer if they would like. Drop-down menus. Even a linear scale. So let's say Q6, and let's say a scale from 1 to 10. Then we have a multiple choice grid, so you can decide how many rows and columns you want, and you can set what the row name is and the column name is, depending on what the question is about. And then you have a checkbox grid, again row column. There's between this row and column, which is a multiple choice grid, is that they can only pick from one row. They can only pick one answer from one row, while in the checkbox grid, they can pick as many options as they would like. And then for this one, we can pick a date or time answer. So if something requires that, then you can set that as an option too. In any spots, so in between any question, you can add some text or descriptions, images, even videos. And if you would like, you can split your questionnaire, form, or survey into sections. So in this case, if I would like this to be the first section and people to press a button to go to the next section, then I can select this to be continue to next section. But if I want them to just submit the form afterwards, then I just pick submit form. And this will be the my questionnaire. This form is now already saved into my Google Drive. So if I select the form, so I'll just go back, I can see responses here. And to share it, I just press send, which is at the top, and I can send it via email. I can just fill out this, or via a link. So let's say let's shorten the link to make it easier. I'll copy this, and let's look at what it looks like. So here is the quick test that we made. So here's Q1, so short answer, long answer. Then these ones where you can only pick one option. Here you can pick many options. Q5 is a drop-down menu, so options that you can choose from. Here is a linear response. Here's rows and columns where you can only pick one row. Here you can pick as many as you would like. Here is the year options, and then here's a submit. So press that. There we go. Now it's been recorded. So if I go back, here I can see one response. So here I can see individual responses. So individual people that have answered my questionnaire, and a summary of all the responses together that I have gotten. So it is a very easy way to know what the majority of people are thinking or reply.